What's going on, gentlemen? I'm Jack Scrimshire with the Gentleman's Lounge, and today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this in just 3 minutes. Alright you guys, this is a real quick tutorial. I wake up every single day looking like this, and my beard's all over the place. You can tell where the pillow's been smushed up against it. I've got a wave in there, it's curling under my jaw, whatever it's doing. And some days I'm running super late and I just don't have time to devote to taking a shower, washing it, oiling it, blow drying it, adding balm, combing and brushing it, doing all those steps that I typically do. So I've come up with a few techniques that help get rid of this look and help make it look styled, at least until I can go ahead and style it for real. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is splash some water in your beard. This is going to help relax it, it's going to help urge it out of the position it's been all night, and just towel dry it and really just make sure that you get it about 90% dry. This is going to take care of about 80% of the problem. Now the next thing that you're going to want to do is take a boar's hair beard brush and just start brushing it in every different direction, like so. And obviously this is going to make it look horrible, but what it does is it shocks your beard. So it takes every hair that's been pressed into those positions and it just makes it do something else. And what that does is it relaxes it, it makes it really pliable, makes it very easy to work with. So then when I take this and I brush it down, you'll see it's an immediate fix. Right, so it's already looking like I have balm and everything in it, and I don't. So those two steps alone are going to take care of about 90 to 95% of the problem. Now the last thing that you're going to need is just a touch of beard oil. So I'm going to take 3 to 4 drops in the palm of my hand. I'll do a little bit more. All right, heat it up and apply it like so. And look at that. It's styled, it looks fine. You can't even tell that I just woke up. So now when you go running into the office late, your boss isn't going to look at you and go, what happened to you last night? So guys, I hope this was helpful for you. This is a really quick way to just get out the door if you need to and not look like you just crawled out of bed. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, concerns whatsoever, drop them down in the comments below and I'll be happy to address them. And of course, if you want to see more content like this, if you want to master your beard, if you want more tips, and if you want to learn more about your beard, subscribe to our channel. We put out 2 videos a week, every Monday and Friday, and every single one of them is devoted to helping you master your beard. As always, gentlemen, I'm Jack Scrimshire with the Gentleman's Lounge, and until next time, stay classy.